Today we discussed about Indian islands. Indian islands are two groups. Andaman Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep groups are in Arabian Sea. And the Andaman Nicobar Islands are very important for the note. Look, here are Andaman and Nicobar. These are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are divided into three categories. North Andaman Nicobar Islands, North Andaman Islands, Middle Andaman Islands, and South Andaman Islands, and also Little Andaman Islands. We can identify mainly three important reasons of Andaman Islands. The top North Andaman Islands, the Middle Andaman Islands, and the South Andaman Islands, and the bottom is the Low Andaman Islands or the Less Andaman Islands. Here we can important. This is Nicobar Island. This is Nicobar Island. The top island is the Car Nicobar. Car Nicobar. The middle is the Little Nicobar. Little Nicobar Island. And here it is the Indira Point. Now it is disappeared. Indira Point, it is the island. And the main headquarter of the Andaman Nicobar Island is Port Blair. The Andaman Nicobar Islands are also categories of the reasons are we can identify on the board. Andaman Nicobar Islands, these are very important. The area of the Andaman Nicobar Islands are 8,250 square kilometers, and the next measurement is 1,841 square kilometers. This is the Nicobar area, this is the Andaman area. The area of the Andaman is 8,250 square kilometers. The area of the Nicobar 1,841 square kilometers. These are the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Here in the middle place is Great Nicobar. The Great Nicobar is consists of the Indira Point. Already Indira Point 2004 December 26 tsunami was occurred. By the hit of the tsunami, the island was submerged at that time. So now it is disappeared in the ocean of the Bay of Bengal. Here, it is what is the important of Indira Point. The Indira Point is most important for the time zone of the South India. And now present, what is the time zone of India? The Kanyakumari is only time zone of India instead of the Indira Point. The Kanyakumari is the most important southern zone timeline instead of the Indira Point. Now Indira Point is disappeared. And here these are the main important views of the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now you should take Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is also located in the Arabian Sea. Here this area is 32.68 square kilometers. 32.68 square kilometers it is only. And here are three types of the Devis. Devis means islands. Yamin Devi, and Lakka Devi, and next one is Minicoy. Here, Yamin Devi is only 11 degrees channel, and Lakka Devi is a 9 degrees channel. Minicoy channel is the 8 degrees channel. 11 degrees channel refers to Amin Devi, and 9 degrees channel is Lakka Devi, and 8 degrees channel is Minikai. Minikai is very tiny island in this group of the Lakshadweep. It is the nearest place of that India. Here are the Maldives. Maldives is only the future of the country. It is only also near to the India. And here, and internal, some islands are also referred here. Recent time, the central government of India divided some important or denotes some important islands to the nearest place of the coastline of the east side of India. Those are Pamban Island. Pamban Island is in Tamil Nadu. Nearest place of Tamil Nadu, Pamban Island. It is the most important. And here in Andhra Pradesh, in Sriharikota, satellite channel is there. That is one of the island to nearest coastline of the India. That is also recognized by the central government. And next here Orissa. Orissa is consists of one tiny island. It is Abdul Kalam Island in Orissa. It is also recognized by the central government in the recent time. And in the West Bengal is the Musiat Island. And here Musiat Island, it is only the Sagar Island. Sagar Island is also recognized by the Indian government. Sagar Island is also only the delta of the Ganga. The delta of the Ganga is refers to the Sundarbans. The Ganga water and the Brahmaputra water both are also mingling of that area. So we can identify such that island is known as a Sagar Island near the West Bengal. And next the Brahmaputra river, the delta of the Brahmaputra in the middle place is also known as a Musri Island. These are only the current affairs. And these are only recent identification by the government of the islands. Mainly our textbook reference only the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. And what are the difference between the Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island? Here we can identify Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman Island is in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. And it is only the volcanic version. Volcanic. Already we know the volcanic version is here. The Barren Islands. The Barren Islands are also here. And here are Narcondam mountains. These are also formed by the volcanic Narcondam mountain and Barren Islands are also, those are also formed by the volcanic version. So that Andaman Nicobar Islands are volcanic version. It is coral version. And here fauna and flora is also here. Less flora and fauna is also here. And this area is 8,250 square kilometers, and Lakshadweep Island is about 32 square kilometers in this area. Discuss on our Indian desert first of all. It is also located the northwestern direction of India. It is the Indian desert. It is also leeward of Aravalli Mountains. Leeward of the Aravalli Mountains. These are the Aravalli Mountains. It is only it located northwest direction of the India. Here the climate is daytime is warm and night time is the cold in Thar Desert. The area of the Thar Desert is 2 lakh square kilometers. 2 lakh square kilometers. The total area of the Thar Desert, the portion of the Pakistan and the portion of the India, the total area is 2 lakh square kilometers. 1,77,000 of the area is located in India, so that the desert name is Indian desert. more than 3/4 part is also located in northwestern direction of India, so that the Thar desert is also known as a Indian desert. And here, this is only the leaves of the Aravalli mountains. The largest area of the India is here located here, so that the desert is also known as a Indian desert. And here there are so many forts. Two most important forts are there. Rajasthan. The Rajasthan is also covered by the Thar desert, and also some places of the Jammu and Kashmir, and here Rajasthan, and also Punjab and Haryana, completely Rajasthan, a tiny place of that Gujarat. 5 states are also occupied by the Thar desert in the northwestern direction of the India. And the cities are Udaipur. Udaipur is a main city. Jodhpur. Jodhpur is also main city. These two cities are also famous in the Rajasthan areas. So many oases are there. The oasis is also contributed to the growth of the date palms. And here some are also bushes, and some are also shrubs, some are also tiny plants are also located in the desert of the area. The date palm is the most important. The camel ridings are only the habits of the Rajasthan. So we can identify this is the Thar desert to the direction of the northwest of the India. Thank you.